Frank here. The weather in Taipei has been absolutely dismal for the last 2 weeks, and that means I haven't been out on my bike at all. Hopefully today, this afternoon, or tomorrow. We'll see. It looks like tomorrow the weather's going to be good, so definitely would like to get out a little and see about it. Today's mission is I want to go get a backup battery for my G7X Mark II. That's the camera I'm filming on right now. I thought I'll take you along, and we're going to go hit up the camera district in Taipei City. You know what I actually might try to get as well is a medium-sized Joby grip. So I'm gonna look for that as well. If I can't find it here, I might go to the computer district in Taipei and see, because I know I've seen it there. So I'm definitely gonna have a look there and see if I can get it. So this is Taipei's camera district. It's between Taipei main station and Ximending. Let's see if I can find those batteries. Oh, a boy can dream, huh? One day, one day. I got the batteries. They had the Canon ones, and then they had the aftermarket ones, like you know, it's Asia. They rip off everything. So I actually got the aftermarket ones because they were three times cheaper than the actual Canon brand. This is how they look like. So I actually got 2 of these. So 2 of them. There we go. So they're good enough for a backup, so they'll work. I didn't find the Joby grip I was looking for, so I'm definitely going to go over to the computer district and see if I can find that. The one I'm looking for is the medium-sized SLR one. It's like the one Casey Neistat uses. I've definitely seen it there, so I'm definitely going to go over there. So this is Taipei's computer district, and what I'm looking for is in the building right there. So I got it. That's what I was looking for. There we go. That's the right size.